Hi, boys and girls. For this day and night activity, you are going to sort pictures. So you should have a baggie with all of these different pieces in it. You should have a big card that says day and a big card that says night. Then you should have some smaller cards that have pictures on them. Your job is to figure out if these pictures show something from the day or something from night. If they show something that could be both day or night, maybe you could just put it in the middle of your cards. Let's do a couple together so that you understand what to do. Look at this picture. I see a picture of a rainbow. Do I see a rainbow during the day or at night? That's right. I see a rainbow during the day, so I'm going to put it underneath my day card. Then I see a picture of a bat. When do you think bats fly around? During the day or at night? Yeah, I know bats are nocturnal, so they fly around at night. So I'm going to put him on underneath the night card. Then I have a picture of the moon. Can I see the moon during the day? Yes, I can, sometimes. Can I see the moon at nighttime? Totally. Oh, wait. Can I see the moon both in the day and the night? Yes. So I'm going to put that kind of in the middle of my two cards because I know it's for both day and night. Now it's your turn to go through the rest of your cards and sort them day, night, or both. Then take a picture on Seesaw when you're all done. Have fun!